First, let's get right to it. The latest on the storm's track with our Storm Team 6 meteorologist, Kyle Mounts. Kyle?
And Drew, some of us looking at a Super Bowl dose of some snow here over about the next 24 hours. All right, the stage is set around Indianapolis, that row of counties. Hendricks right on back into Putnam and stretching through Richmond. We've got a winter weather advisory that goes into effect here at 7 o'clock tonight. North of that, all the counties in white, a winter storm warning where you're expecting to see more in the way of snow. More bark than bite right now on TrueView radars. We're starting to get in some rain. We put it in a little more sensitive mode here. You can see some very light rain, Greencastle back through Rockville, right along US 40 here into southwestern portions of Hendricks County around Plainfield and portions of Morgan County as well. But there is a big storm system back to the west, and here you can see it's bringing snow to Iowa, portions of Nebraska, and then rain that stretches down into Texas. So need to be alert. We're going to have a couple rounds of precipitation, the heaviest of which will come during the day on Sunday. Rain snow line still looks like it's going to waver a little bit and be kind of finicky here around I-70. The heaviest of the snow well to the north, and then it turns windy and colder behind this system that will blow some of that snow around. So here's TrueCast taking you through wave 1, 7 o'clock this evening. Again, we're already starting to see a little bit of that rain move into the western portion of the state. By 11 o'clock, some snow from around Indianapolis, I-70 areas to the north. Then overnight, it looks like we get in pretty quiet conditions, a little bit of a lull. We'll stay with a rain and maybe even snow mix around Lafayette toward Kokomo, and then this will fill back in as we go deeper into the day on Sunday. But I know everybody wants to talk about totals once this is said and done. Extremes across the Hoosier State, under an inch as we get around Bloomington toward Columbus, and then you can see around and north of Lafayette 9 inches, isolated amounts around a foot. So let's break down this gradient. We talked about that rain snow line, and we're talking around an inch on the south side of Indy around Greenwood, and then you get around Indianapolis a couple 3 inches to 2 to 5 inches basically, and this is just over about a 10 to 15 mile stretch here, northern portions of Hendricks County, and then that deeper blue 5 to 9 inches as we look around Crawfordsville, Lebanon, Anderson into Muncie. We'll take another look at these totals and go deeper into TrueCast with how it all plays out for tomorrow coming up.